Hi there! You found us here at Storytime with Miss Becky. I'm Miss Becky, and this is our friend Bear, who loves to read along with you. Bear has a question for you. Have you ever said to a fly, "Shoo, fly, don't bother me"? Many yeses, Bear. Did the fly stop bothering you? No, many say no, Bear. Well, today, Victor is having non-stop adventures finding food and outsmarting enemies so he can stay alive. Let's put on the magic reading glasses and see if Victor will still be flying by the end of the day. Still I Fly by Nikki Ace. Illustrated by Wesley Ace Jr. and Danny Ace. Everyone calls me Victor. I'm a tenacious little fly, full of adventures every morning till the sun sets in the sky. When I wake, my tummy growls, telling me I'm hungry now. So I start to search and search to find food and quench my thirst. Danger! Without a doubt, danger lurks, surprising me like fireworks. Hurdles I'll jump, but I'll survive. By nightfall, still I fly. I like going to this house because he lets his food decay. Trash cans filled with food that's rot, spoiled fruit in a fruit tray. But there's always a challenge that seems to get in the way of me getting my grub on. Uh-oh, I've been seen. Must fly away. Now I'm in hot water, but I won't go berserk. Even if the fly swatter tries to swat me off planet Earth. Being swung like a baseball bat so hard I'd be buried in dirt. But with a swing and a miss, I fled with no scratch and unhurt. I swished and slammed and dipped and pranced, did a flip arms up like a gymnast when I land. And I finished my victory with a quick special dance. Going to this home was risky, surely taking a chance. But I just had to go. My tummy is rumbling, no lie. It's a risk I had to take. And as you see, still I fly. I'm still not satisfied. Still hunger is my struggle. I'll take my chances in the wild with all this food in the jungle. But with no hesitation, I'm seen as food from Wasp. He tries to block my destination. So I pull out my boxing gloves. 2 uppercuts to the body, 3 jabs to the face, right hooks and left hooks. Wasp got punched all over the place. He learned really quickly he messed with the wrong fly. So Wasp started fleeing, and still I fly. Next thing I know, I see Happy Frog on a lily pad, just chillin' and relaxin'. Then her happy went to bad. It was like slow motion as it came towards me, her tongue in locomotion with absolutely no warning. With a zoom and a buzz and a bash and a zip, I escaped the frog's tongue, then showed off with a skip. Did not want to get stuck in her thick honey-like spit, or get wrapped like a burrito as her tongue folds and twists. You will not find me in this frog's nasty tummy pit. Not today, not tomorrow. For me, it's unfit. I don't have time to be eaten, harmed, or hurt by misfits. There's places to go, things to do. I do more than just exist. Frog was baffled and confused. My moves were just so sly, since I got away uneaten, and still I fly. From afar, I could see a beautiful sight calling my name. It said, "Victor, come to me and eat what I proudly create." As I flew towards this sight, my eyes must have gone blind. I didn't see Spider's web built to catch, so Spider can dine. I faintly heard words of caution saying, "Buzz, buzz, buzz," as onlooking friends and family warn, "A trap!" out of love. So I make a quick right to not get caught in Spider's web, and thought how grateful that I am having great seeing family and friends. I look back and give a wave. "Good looking out," I shout my praise, and with a thanks and a goodbye, I'm so amazed that still I fly. My antennae are detectives. They will notice any odor. I smell yummy nectar goodness coming from way down yonder. As I get closer and closer, my view gets even more alluring when I see the plant called Venus oozing nectar. I start soaring. Venus calls my name again, offering nectar on her leaves. But as soon as my eating begins, she snaps shut, trapping me. I squeeze through her prison bars, since I'm a clever little guy, singing joyfully to the blue sky. I'm taking flight, and still I fly. So no matter what adventure or obstacle I face, when a swatter swats at me all over the place, or if I get in a boxing match with Wasp trying to eat, or if Frog's tongue tries to snatch my life to eat as meat, or when Spider makes a web that friends and family help me see, or how Venus the flytrap attracts me with trickery, I live my life true to my name. They don't call me Victor for nothing. Victorious is who I became when others want me for hunting. At last I found some grub that a doggy left behind. Now I can regain my strength for tomorrow's adventures by and by. I'm prepared for what's ahead. It's just the way I was designed. Funny how I can even land in poop, and still I fly. Bear's wondering, do you think Victor will always work hard to stay alive? Lots of yeses, Bear. Now Bear's asking if you think God gave us Victor so we could learn how to never give up? Well, Bear says he hopes you say Victor's words. Still, I fly. He also hopes you come back soon for more adventures in staying alive. Bye for now. Please subscribe.